Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Jamaican clients of CIBC Bank will now be paid for referring friends and family to the bank. With this referral initiative, CIBC clients are paid for each successful referral, with the potential of claiming cash on up to 5 referrals during the promotional period, which runs until May 30. We believe our clients are our best advocates, and this initiative allows them to be rewarded for promoting our products and services to new prospects. This program is about more than just referrals. It's about creating a community of clients who can share their positive experiences and help us grow, says Nigel Holness, Managing Director of CIBC Jamaica. Companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange have announced passive income through dividend payments to clients. Cygnus Credit Investments Limited has an interim dividend of US $0.00276 per share payable on April 4, 2025 to shareholders on record as at March 28, 2025. Supreme Ventures Limited has declared an interim dividend of 0.0455 Jamaican cents per share payable on April 17, 2025 to shareholders on record as at March 17, 2025. The ex-dividend date is March 17, 2025. Cargo Handlers Limited has declared an interim dividend of 12 Jamaican cents per share payable on March 28, 2025 to shareholders on record as at March 14, 2025. The ex-dividend date is March 14, 2025. For the trading period ending February 28, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 12,059,855 units traded represented 25.22% of market sales volume. Online education company One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 7,844,556 units traded, representing 16.4% of market sales volume. Beverage manufacturer Jamaican Teas Limited with 5,912,520 units traded, representing 12.36% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On February 28, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $65.88 million purchased and US $74.63 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.30 per dollar, selling the US at $157.33 and buying the US at $156.03. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $2.45 per transaction, with selling at $110.46 and buying at $108.01. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.15 in profit, with selling at $199.56 and buying at $197.41. For our credit report tip of the day, reaching your 60s with debt can feel like a heavy emotional weight. There's regret, shame, and frustration that often come hand in hand. You may be asking yourself, how did I get here? Shouldn't I be debt-free by now? If you're feeling this way, you're not alone. Life happens. So here's what we're gonna do. First, you're gonna face the numbers without shame. Avoiding debt only makes it worse. So write down everything you owe. Seeing it clearly is the first step to taking control. Then forgiveness. Forgive yourself for past mistakes. Debt often carries emotional baggage. Acknowledge past financial missteps, but don't let them define your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.